Hello and welcome to my channel Zenith Institute, where learning matters. Hi guys, today I'm going to cover the topic Faire Verb. Faire is an irregular verb in French. We are going to learn the conjugation and the uses of this verb. Before going ahead, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel Zenith Institute on YouTube and click the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. So, faire verb is used to express an activity. First, let us understand the conjugation of this verb. As I told you, this is an irregular verb. That means you have to learn this verb by heart. So, faire, the meaning of this verb in English is to do or to make. The conjugation is je fais, tu fais, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, elles font. Now let's see some examples. Je fais du jogging. I am jogging. Nous faisons de la natation. We are swimming. Il fait de l'équitation. He rides a horse. Tu fais du cyclisme. Tu fais du vélo. You are cycling. Ils font des courses. They do the shopping. So guys, I gave you some sentences with faire verb. First, let us understand the sentence formation with faire verb. So, to frame a sentence with faire verb, we need the conjugated form of faire verb according to the subject. Then we have to write the partitive article. Du, de la, del apostrophe, they. These are called partitive article. And then we have to write activity. The activity we are doing. Now let us understand one by one. In the first example, I wrote Je fais du jogging. So here we wrote Je fais du jogging. Du here is partitive article and we are writing du because jogging according to French dictionary it's a masculine noun, masculine activity. That's why we are writing du here. Nous faisons de la natation. According to French dictionary, natation is a feminine noun. That's why we are writing de la. But when you translate this sentence in English, it will be we are swimming. That means du or de la. We should not translate in English. You will not get any translation in English. But if you are writing any activity in noun form and you are using faire verb, so faire, between faire verb and activity we have to write partitive article. If you are not writing, you are making a grammatical mistake. But don't translate them. Don't try to translate them in English. You will not get the translation. Let's go ahead. The third example. Il fait de l'équitation. So here équitation is starting with vowel. That's why we have to write del apostrophe. And the sound will be Il fait de l'équitation. Tu fais du vélo. Vélo is a masculine word in English. In French, that's why we are writing du. And the last is Ils font des courses. They are doing shopping, especially grocery shopping. So course, according to French, we have to write in plural form. That's why we are writing they. Now, many students ask me that how do we know that it is a male word or feminine word? So my suggestion would be, when you are reading French, any article or any exercises, if you are reading, try to observe if a noun, before a noun, if you see a du, that means it's a masculine noun for sure. If you see the la, then it is a feminine noun. This just you have to observe. Observe and keep it in your mind. And next time when you are framing sentence, just remember this. Before a vowel sound, we need not to think. In French, there are 6 vowels: a, e, o, u, a, ash. A, e, I, o, u, and h is also considered as vowel in French. And if it is plural, then again, there is no need to think. You have to write they. Next, faire is also used to talk about the weather. So here there are some phrases which are fixed with faire verb. Again, no need to translate word to word. Literal translation is not required. For example, when you want to ask how is the weather, the sentence in French is Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? How is the weather? Now, if it is hot today, we say Il fait chaud aujourd'hui. If it is cold, Il fait froid. If the weather is nice, Il fait beau. So these phrases, Quel temps fait-il? Il fait chaud, Il fait froid, Il fait beau, you should not translate them literally in English. You have to use these phrases as it is. Here are some examples, some exercises for you to do. Fill in the blanks with faire verb. You need to write the correct conjugated faire verb according to the subject. To know the answer, refer to the description of my YouTube channel. You will get the answer in the description, and description you will get below the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do share with your friends and learning partners, and like, comment, share and subscribe to Zenith Institute. Thank you.